Good morning, students. Today, you know already we are studying Venn diagram. So, today we shall discuss some more problems regarding Venn diagram. See the students, the first question. In a group of 52 persons, 16 drink tea but not coffee and 33 drink tea. Find first how many drink both. Both means tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. And second, how many drink coffee but not tea. So students, first draw the Venn diagram and understand the problem. Suppose A is the person who drink tea and set B is the person who drink coffee. So this is set A and this is the set B. See the students, this part. This part is the part of set A which does not contain any part of B, means this is represented by A minus B. Similarly, the other one, this part containing only part of B, not the part of A, so this is represented by B minus B. But between them, this is common part of A and B, so it is represented by A intersection B. So A minus B, see the question, A minus B means those part which contains A only, like 16 drink tea but not coffee. So A minus B is those part of persons who drink tea only, not coffee. And what is given? Number of A elements or number of persons of A minus B is 16. Similarly, it is given that 33 drink tea, means it includes tea as well as coffee. So N of A will be 33. Number of elements of A or number of persons of A is 33 and total persons given is 52. So these are the our given terms. Now see, we have first find how many drink both tea and coffee. Both tea and coffee means we have to find their intersection part, number of elements of A intersection B. So according to figure, we can say that number of intersection of A and B should be equal to number of elements of A minus number of elements of B. So according to figure, number of elements of A intersection B equal to number of elements of A minus number of elements of A minus B. So what is given? Number of elements of A is given 33 and A minus B is given 16. So 33 minus 16, that will be 17. Hence 17 persons drink both tea and coffee. The next one, how many drink coffee but not tea? So what we have to find? Number of elements of B minus A. Now apply the formula. You already know number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A minus B plus number of elements of A intersection B plus number of elements of B minus A. This is given 52, 16, 17 and this is to be find. So number of elements of B minus A will be 52 minus 16 minus 17, that should be 33. So 52 minus 33 is equal to 19. So these are our results, 17 for first and 19 for the second. See the next question. Out of 600 car owners investigated, 500 owned car A, 200 owned car B, and 50 owned both car A and B. Verify whether the given data is correct or not. Means the survey comes under 600 car owners. You have to find is data correct or not. Suppose first what is given, car A. So number of owners for car A is 500, this is given. Number of owners for car B is 200 given, and total investigated persons is 600. So car A and car B total it is 600, means number of persons of A union B is equals to 600. What is to be find? What is to be given? One more thing is given, 50 owned car A and B, means number of elements of A intersection B is equal to 50. So children, we know the formula for NA union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Write down their values. 600, that should be 500, 200, 50. Calculate its value, 700 minus 50, which is 650. So N of A union B comes 650 according to given data, but it is given that only 600 cars owner investigated, means N of A union B is equal to 600. Our result is 650, which gives a contradiction, because 650 and 600 totally different thing. So which gives a contradiction, means this is a contradiction. So according to our result, according to given data, this is not correct, means given data is incorrect. Now students, see another question. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball and 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports, how many received medals in exactly 2 of 3 sports? So here you have to calculate total number of men who received medals in only 2 events. So first of all, consider A as the set of men who got medals in football. Set B, B, set of men who got medals in basketball, and C is the set of men who got medals in cricket. So what is given first? N of A number of elements of men who got medals in football, which is given 38. Similarly, number of medals in basketball, which is represented by B. So N of B is 15 and N of C is 20. Further, it is given that total number of men is 58, means total person is 58. So their union N of A union B union C is equal to 58, and 3 men got medals in all the 3 events. So N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. Now what is to find? We have to find number of elements of A intersection B, because exactly 2 elements B intersection C and plus number of elements of A intersection C. This is to be find. First, understand the figure. Let A, B, C are the 3 sets. This portion represents A intersection B. Similarly, this portion represents A intersection C, and finally this portion is represented by B intersection C. Among these, D is common element. D is the portion represented by all the 3 sets. So now apply the formula. NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. By using this formula, first calculate the value of N A intersection B, N B intersection C, and N A intersection C. So transfer all these 3 terms into left side. So in left side we have N of A intersection B plus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection C. And in right side it should be negative. So N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus N of A intersection B intersection C is already here, minus N of A union B union C. Write down now their values. N of A, that is 38, 15, 20, 3 minus 58. Simplify this one. 38 plus 20, 58, and 58 should cancel. Only left here 15 plus 3, which is 18. Now compare this one as figure. N of A intersection B. A intersection B contains A and D, so it should be sum of A and D. Similarly, B intersection C. This portion represents B intersection C. So this is sum of B and D. And A intersection C, that is containing D and C. So A plus D, C plus D, B plus D. D, which is common portion of A, B and C. So this is 3. So D plus D plus D into right side becomes minus 3D. D is given 3. So 3 into 3, 9. 18 minus 9, 9. So exactly 9 persons have got medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. Now children, understand the term Cartesian product of 2 sets. So let A and B are 2 sets. A and B are 2 sets. Then A cross B is called Cartesian product of A and B. A cross B is a set, means A cross B is also set whose elements are in ordered pair of A and B. So A cross B, the elements of A cross B are in ordered pair. It means elements are in pair. If AB, that is pair, belongs to A cross B, it means A belongs to A, that is first set, and B belongs to B. This is meaning of A cross B, which is called Cartesian product of A and B. Cartesian product of A and B is also a set whose elements are in ordered pair of A and B. That is, if AB belongs to A cross B, then A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is meaning of Cartesian product of two sets. Similarly, if AB belongs to B cross A, according to definition, its meaning is A belongs to B, but A belongs to B and B belongs to A. On this basis, we can say A cross B is not necessarily equals to B cross A. So children, this is a part of commutative law. So for Cartesian product, we can say it is not commutative. Means Cartesian product is not commutative. So next classes we will see some problems from Cartesian product. Thank you.